Now in this demo, we'll see we have created two trigger actions, turn on and turning off LEDs. Now let's see what will happen. This is the NodeMCU connected. This is waiting for a message on and off from Adafruit. This is the same program what we created. There is no change in that. It's just waiting for the message. Instead of the trigger happening from Adafruit through a mouse click, now it's happening with a voice command. Turn on light.
Turning on light.
Do you see that? Now I'll just try to turn off the light. Turn off light.
Turning off light.
Now, while this is happening, you'll be able to observe the Adafruit IO button is also changing its position. Without I making any kind of mouse click, you can observe it also. Hope this explains you how to control your devices remotely from anywhere in the world with a voice command. Thank you.